My name is Markus Meyer. I'm responsible for high-resolution lighting modules at Mercedes-Benz. I really like that movie because of two things. First, it is beautifully showing the history of the S-Class. Second, because it's showing the capability of the optical system of the new S-Class. You can even watch a comic movie on the headlamp of the car. Honestly, this is one of the only cars in the world which is capable of doing it because it's having a special movie interface in it. Now let's have a look into the technology of digital light. We do have our headlamp here. Mainly there are 4 modules. On the outside we've got our base light, which is responsible for the light carpet directly in front of the car. Underneath it, it's the high range. That one is pushing the brightness on straight roads. In the middle we find our multi-beam module with 84 pixels. At the inner part of the car we do have our highlight, the DMD module, with more than 1.3 million pixels. Those pixels were projecting the movie that we just saw. In reality we are not projecting movies for entertainment, but we are projecting light distributions for safe and comfort driving at nighttime. For this calculation we do have an ECU on the backside of the headlamp. This ECU is calculating in real time light distributions that are perfectly fit to the traffic situation that is present. To get the present traffic situations we need sensors. Our most important sensor is the camera. The other one is the navigation system, and then we are using car data like steering wheel angle, curve acceleration and similar. How about we change perspective towards the driver's seat now? When talking about digital light, we're talking about 3 families: performance, assistance and communication. Communication is what you just saw. When I was unlocking the car, the S-Class was welcoming me with a shooting star-like animation. Performance, I will show you right now. Performance describes the improvement that we have in conventional light functions. New, for example, is the improvement in partial high beam. The gap around the car in front of us was never as tight as it is right now. The smoothness of the system remembers you of a mechanical system, but at the same time we do have the high speed and the capability of tracking multiple objects at the same time, as only a digital system is able to do it. Completely new to road traffic is the family assistance. Assistance describes projections from the headlight onto the street right into the field of view of the driver. One example of a warning is our stop sign alert. Stop sign alert is triggered when the driver is tending to oversee a stop sign. As you can see, digital light in the new S-Class is way more than a funny gadget to play comic movies.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.